What's up? Today I got various second-hand something fun things. First, I got this Logicool web camera. I have this type of web camera a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is number 7 maybe. And the reason why I want this is I want to use multiple camera for different angles on OBS streaming and recording video. And this is HD, so not 4K, and I think it's good enough for my use. And this Logicool one has a nice optical zoom, not the crop zoom, the almost like camera lens zoom. So it's really nice to find good angle by the optical zoom and using software and adjust and finding nice one. And also this has nice bokeh. It's a diffusion, like focus and out of focus kind of quality. And this is really nice. And especially I need these camera screw things. And with this you can use many options. Like for example like this, like some monopod or tripod kind of things you can put and use in various way. Without this, it really limits. Maybe you can put on the notebook, laptop, on the display. That's mainly the use for this clip. But with the screw one, you can attach anywhere. That's really nice. And it's almost like 30 US$ in used. This is not the most advanced things, but I think it's really old, maybe 5 or 10 years old, maybe, if possible, that the old model continues. And maybe there's some update or format or something maybe, but it has a nice one. And the one thing I don't like is this falling cover. And then I have another one, and it doesn't fall like this. So maybe I can use, or I can replace it easily. It's an attachable cover, privacy cover. And maybe you can use with laptop or like any way to use it. This is good quality, so I like this one. USB, normal. It's many ways to use it. So I bought it. And next thing I bought is this. This is a, how can I say, capture board for gaming or camera, like external media input and USB connect to PC. It's a capture board, and I like it because it's really cheap. It's like $60 or $50 to $60. And it supports USB 3 and not that too old, but it says Windows 8. Oh, that's really old. But I think it works for HD use, so I can use for HD camera, external camera, import to PC. And that's the things I thought of it. And it's first time to get this kind of device, so the used one and cheap is good choice to try out how it goes. It says Core i7 4th generation, so really old. 10th generation. Now it's no, it's a 15th generation, right? Core Ultra. So more than 10. Oh, that's old. But I thought HDMI, and this is a 1000, like Full HD, and 60 frames per second. So generally it's okay. Not for like great 4K visual or super FPS gaming, but it's fine for casual use. So I want to try this. Alright. And when I buy it, I checked inside and there's a cable. It says a PS3 connector. So that's why I'm interested in PS3. It's really old. Now it's PS5, right? But I thought it's fine because the PS3 have decent quality of visual, like the graphic, and seems like not mainly 720 the resolution things, and some might work for Full HD. So maybe really lower than I expected the image quality, but I think this is good enough image quality for gaming, for having fun. And this is almost like 100 US dollar. And when I thinking about the AVerMedia graphic card, I think it's really cheap. This has also controller inside. And I checked everything working fine. So for just having fun, I thought it's nice. And it has 250 gigabyte of hard disk drive. And when I checked, many of PS3 software work with the software, like not much installing in the hard disk. So I think hard disk is okay. Some people want to change it into SSD, but I searched on it and it says not much difference because PS3 is made for this limitation at first, so not boost much. And also I got Biohazard. In English, maybe Resident Evil. I think so. Biohazard 5 Alternative Edition. And this is almost like $2 US. So it's really cheap. So let's try this. I want to set up this with OBS PC software and record the gameplay. I thought it's cheap and easy. And this one also includes the Everybody is Golf, みんなのゴルフ 6. And this controller was nice, and it works. PS3 works also PS1 software, not PS2, but 3, 1. So I thought it's cheap choice and it would be good. And in the era, I thought these video games were really focused on these disc things. And after the era, maybe smartphone games emerged. So these video games having harder time. So I think it's an era they really focused on this kind of packaged gaming. So, and having this like $2, so that's really good enough. That's my impression. Let's try. Okay, thank you for watching. That was my PS3 and capture board and my favorite Logicool, these cameras. Right, thank you for watching. And what is your favorite PS3 games? Write on the comment. It's really heavy.